welcome back to my channel. Mary here at The Good Life with M. My kids, my husband and I, we're headed to Seabrook, Washington once more, and we are going to be staying at the Breezy Cottage. We're right now on our way to pick up one of my daughter's friends, and we're going to take her along with us, and we will take you along with us as well.
We are coming back to Seabrook, Washington. We came here about a couple years ago. I'll link the video down below, but we're staying somewhere else, this time the Breezy Cottage. This home is located in the South Farm neighborhood of Seabrook at Sunrise Park. Everything to know about this place will be listed in a link down below in the show notes. Breezy Cottage is available for direct booking through Airbnb or Vrbo. Upon entering, you can already see how cozy and homey it feels. It's got nice coastal cozy decor, and you can see how inviting everything is. Walking through, you can see that the kitchen appears almost immediately. A little bit of information on this home. It has 3 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom down on the first floor, and then 2 bedrooms upstairs on the second floor, one with 2 sets of bunk beds and 1 bedroom with a queen size bed. The kitchen is fully equipped, so you don't have to worry about getting anything from home. Complimentary snacks are available to all guests. You can see here there are ingredients for s'mores. There are community fire pits outside the house, and then they also provided a nice red blend for us. This is a nice touch because y'all know I'm a wine drinker. Also provided are giveaway treats as well as checkout instructions and this guest book for all guests to enter their thoughts. So panning around is the nice dining table set. You can already see my husband and my son are already making themselves at home. One important thing to mention is if you have dogs, you have found the place. This is a dog-friendly home. They do provide blankets for your dogs to lay atop the furniture to keep it clean. Now here, coming around the corner is the master bedroom, and I believe that's a king-size bed. To the left of the door, the first door that you see there, I didn't really focus on, is the closet. If you have small children or babies or anything like that, there are some like baby equipment in there if you needed it. So this house does cater to people with small children. And then here's a little nice work desk that I actually did do some work on. And then here is the master bathroom. The door on the other side there actually exits out into the entryway where we came in. So we actually came in from the back. Now this bathroom is also fully equipped with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and as you saw there, poopery. And it does have a floor mat. Here's a better view of everything. And then I will open the door and you'll see exactly where we came from. By the way, to all future guests, this dining table is so beautiful, so you don't want to ruin it. Make sure that you use placemats. They are available in the kitchen drawers. So right outside the master, you will see the stairs leading up to the second floor. So come on up with us. Immediately at the top of the stairs, you will find their cozy little game room. The girls did hang out here quite often, and you can see in the corner there board games. This home actually really encourages family time, something that is kind of unheard of in day-to-day life, but this is just a great way to relax, unplug, and unwind. Taking you to the second bedroom, you can see here there's 2 sets of bunk beds, so kids will have such a great time, because what kid doesn't want to sleep on a bunk bed? You can see out here it's overlooking the Sunrise Park where you can have your dogs or small kids run around. They've really used every inch of that space, so no wasted space. And then here's a shared bath upstairs. So this is fully equipped as well. Here we are in the third bedroom, and as you can see here, they did also provide a nice little workspace. And then panning around, the back corner there is the closet, and then a nice view of the queen-sized bed. So whoever stays up here will be just as comfortable. So now we're gonna go back down to the front of the house. Now it was a little cold, so I didn't do like quite the big tour. So I just did something really quick here. And you can see here 2 sweet rocking chairs where you can have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning and just get that fresh air. It was actually really nice and soothing looking out the windows in the mornings. So as you all know, I love going to the spa every time we vacation. Check out Spa Elizabeth. It's not more than 5 minutes away from the house that we stayed at, but this, man, I had one of the best massages. So I encourage you ladies or men to come here and book a session. To further relax, we decided to use the private hot tub back at the house. This fits 7 people comfortably. You can see my son is taking advantage of the whole tub all to himself, but Mama decided to get in with him. It was chilly that day, but surprisingly, it wasn't so bad being in this tub because it warmed us up pretty quick. Now, I don't really get to see my son because he works a lot, but it was nice to kind of chat with him about how his life is going and just some of the everyday conversations that we would have had if we saw each other more. On our last day, we decided to go head back into town and see what else was out there, and we came across Lorraine's Candle Studio, which was really cool, and we really wanted to do this as a family, but we just didn't have much time because it takes 2 hours to get back and we had obligations. You can see everything laid out quite nicely. We would first pick our vessels and then our scents, and then wait 2 hours for the candles to solidify. Unfortunately, we didn't have that time, so hopefully we can do this again when we come back, because we will definitely be back. And then here, a little window shopping at the local fashion shop, Magnolias. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you got a little bit of insight on Seabrook once more, and join us for next week as we take you on a cruise.